Open the box of Syrebo Rehabilitation Glove HRC11. You will have the following components: host, power glove, data glove, charging unit and reho accessories. Please charge the new device at least 30 minutes before using it for the first time. Insert the Rehabilitation Glove plug into the power socket on the side of the host. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. Wait for the glove to fully extend and then put on the glove. Put on the glove and pull the whole over towards the wrist so that the fingertips go as far as possible into the glove. Then tighten on the waist and fasten the Velcro of lateral strap without discomfort. Press the menu button to select passive mode. Select the extension and flexion index. To train for the first time, the recommended extension index is set to 8 and the flexion index set to 3. Press the start button to start training. To perform mirror training, insert the data glove plug into the data socket, and the power glove plug into the power socket on the side of the host. Wear the data glove on your healthy hand and power glove on the affected hand. Select mirror mode and press the start button. During the training, the affected hand follows the movement of the healthy hand and does extension or flexion simultaneously. If both hands are unable to extend or flex on their own, it is recommended to start with passive training. If you choose the PGO2 power glove with valve knobs, you can switch the valve on the glove according to the training demands, so that the affected hand can be passively trained with one or more fingers. To perform mirror training in multi-fingers, you may also use PGO2 power glove with valve knobs. You can switch the valve on the glove according to the training demands. Wear the data glove on the healthy hand to make a pinching action, and the single or multiple fingers of the affected hand will follow in this mirror training mode. To perform active mode training, insert the data glove plug into the data socket of the host and put the glove on the affected hand. Visit Syrebo.com homepage and enter the download page. Download the Android app, install the app in your phone. Open the app, and after the successful Bluetooth connection, select